In the recent months, the countries near the Ring of Fire, such as Ecuador, Japan, and Tonga, were hit by earthquake that is more than 7.0 magnitude. We'll observe how the Japan is prepared for the earthquake by looking at the recent one. In April 16, 2016, an earthquake has hit the city of Kumamoto. It was the strongest earthquake in Japan after the March 2011 earthquake incident. The magnitude was 7.3, and the powerful earthquake has caused many people to be killed or injured and buildings to be destroyed. So a lack of preparation for earthquake has led to Japanese fatalities by causing people to have physical and mental stress, making an airport and businesses close, and making people unable to gain access to resources and rescue forces.
Firstly, the earthquake has caused people to have physical and mental stress. According to the BBC monitoring Asia Pacific, 11 people have died from complications related to physical and mental hardships stemming from the Kyushu earthquakes, Kumamoto Prefecture revealed on April 20th. The prefecture has categorized earthquake-associated deaths as those caused by illness from the physical and mental stress resulting from sleeping in cars or living in evacuation centers. Such conditions include so-called economy class syndrome, the formation of blood clots due to prolonged periods of physical inactivity. Because of this syndrome, a 51-year-old woman from the city of Kumamoto's Nishi ward, who had been sleeping in a car parked by her home, died from the condition on April 18th. Also, a 77-year-old woman was found dead inside the bathroom of an emergency shelter on April 17th in the city of Aso. So, the mental or physical stress caused by earthquake can be fatal to people. Also, the earthquake made Kumamoto Airport closed. The Kumamoto Airport was closed and all flights were cancelled owing to damage that included falling roof panels, a representative of airline operator ANA Holdings Inc. said. Since the airport was closed, people were not able to evacuate the area affected by the earthquake. In other words, people are being isolated in Kumamoto. In addition, the earthquake has caused businesses to halt. Nissan Motor Company said it halted operations at its vehicle assembly plant in Fukuoka Prefecture to assess damage and supply chain issues. That follows Honda Motor Company, who stopped operating its motorbike plant in Kumamoto after the Thursday quake, and Toyota Motor Corporation, which halted operations at a vehicle plant and two parts plant in southern Japan. This shows that because of the aftershock of the earthquake, the company are not able to activate their factories in order to prevent secondary disasters. Lastly, the earthquake made people unable to gain access to the supplies or the rescue team. Food shortages worsened Monday, April 18th at shelters in Kumamoto Prefecture as tens of thousands of people remain evacuated from their homes after powerful earthquakes jolted southwestern Japan last week, while municipal offices struggled to function due to damage to their buildings. So, due to possible earthquakes, the rescue teams were not able to give supplies to the shelter, which people are starving in there. In all, more than 550 temblors have occurred since Thursday in the two prefectures. At least 2,300 homes and buildings in Kumamoto have been flattened completely or significantly damaged, according to the prefectural government. As a formation, the earthquake in Japan has caused people to have mental and physical stress, closed the airport and businesses, and made people not able to gain access to supplies or the rescue forces. Even though people are not able to prevent earthquake, we are able to prepare early for it. Therefore, the Japanese government needs to have more preparation for the upcoming earthquakes in order to reduce fatalities on people and buildings. What we, students and teenagers, should do is that we should increase the awareness to the adults so the Japanese government prepare for the upcoming earthquake. We could also help Japan by giving them nutrients and food and helping them rebuild their homes and factories so they can start working and earning money and food on their own. Innocent people in Japan have been injured mentally and physically during and after the earthquake. Japan's factories and houses for people has been destroyed by the earthquake, which has also destroyed farms and markets, which led people to have lack of food and supplies to survive in the area.